Hello everyone, I'm Sumadura and she is Sindhura. We are the founders of Simsum Arts and we have been teaching drawing and painting since 10 years to all age groups.
We thank Forum Sujana Mall for extending this amazing opportunity to us for judging Forum Colorama drawing competition once again. And let me say, this is very fun and thought-provoking drawing competition.
This competition was held digitally across 8 malls in 6 cities with prizes worth Rs 1.6 lakhs to be won. We received more than 350 drawings just from Hyderabad. And these are divided as 4 categories depending on the age groups. So the category A included 4 to 6 years, category B 7 to 9 years, category C 10 to 13 years and category D 14 to 16 years. Now, let me announce the winners of the Forum Colorama 2020 drawing competition. So from the category A, the winner is Shreyan Shriram. Category B, the winner is Anaga Ara. Category C, the winner is Deepika Yadav. And category 4 or the D, the winner is Amrita L. Congratulations all of you.
Congratulations! So after judging many national and international competitions, there are few criteria that you have to follow for any drawing competition. So that will be very useful for you. The first and foremost thing is, it is a drawing competition but not any essay competition. So you have to always remember that your picture should be completely depicted by a drawing, not by writing essays over it or not by labeling it as in a science project. So all you got to do is give a simple heading like a title or a subtitle, that is enough. Complete the drawing and show with your drawing, depict it completely with your drawing, that's more than enough.
Yes, some works were very nice, but because they have written essay writings on them or labeling, because of which the others have gained better score than them.
To simplify it, all you have to remember is neatness, no rough work, completion of the whole picture, utilizing the whole paper, and the main thing, what is the main thing?
No essay writing or no labeling.
Exactly. And not only that, detailing of the painting and shading gives you more points.
When there is no theme, you're at an advantage. Why don't you utilize your whole skills, whatever you know best, why don't you do that? Add more shadings, add more detailings and give the best whatever you can and then submit. Why many are submitting incomplete work? So please keep that point. That is very important, especially when it is online competition. It is pretty easy for you to just complete the picture and take a photo and send. So try to do your best, do the best creativity, that will definitely help you out in winning.
And parents, please do not help because it's an online session. Make sure the kid does the whole thing and you don't help at all. This really boosts their confidence to next level.
And those who do not win, it's okay. Participation is always important when compared to winning. So just go ahead and participate.
This is a very nice platform for all the kids to showcase their artwork. They have conducted such events previously also and they will be doing further also. So do participate and get recognized.
To improve your art skills, you can connect to us anytime on Facebook or Instagram at @Simsum Arts.
SIMSUMARTS.
We connect both interactive online classes as well as in the studio classes. And thank you once again Forum Sujana Mall for giving us this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you.